Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Ed's Garage, where I work on everything in the driveway. Hi guys, today we're going to try to make a mount for the shifter. I got this random piece of metal here, so hopefully we can maybe cut this up and weld it together and make something out of it. Alright, so I guess the first thing we'll do is take this shifter out to the truck and see about where we want to mount this thing. I'm thinking somewhere about right in there, almost to the top of the seat here. Alright, now I need to do some measuring on this thing. Some measuring and cutting. I'm probably going to use this section up here. Probably get that thing mounted on there. Maybe like that. So I just measure down and cut it and stuff, but I'm gonna clean this thing up. It's filthy. We about to turn it on. This is, I guess, the basic shape. I'm gonna cut this center out and this bottom out and have these feet. I'm gonna fold up and that's what I'm gonna bolt to the floor there. But I done ran out of my cutting wheels, so we gotta run to go get some cutting wheels.
Yes, we are.
Got a load to it. I got 5 of these things, so hopefully that'll be enough to get this thing cut up. This is what I got so far out of that piece of metal. I done cut it all to pieces, but I got these 2 pieces pretty close to the same shape. Close as I'm gonna get it with a grinder. And the mounting plate, which is going to go on top here. And I decided I'm going to try to make this look similar to the grill that I made. If you haven't seen the grill, I'll try to put a link to the video where I made the grill at the end of this video. You can check that out if you want. But basically, I'm gonna get some mesh and put behind this, and then run some bolts around it. I got my holes I want to drill marked out here where I'm gonna put my bolts. So I'm gonna drill those out real quick. Alright guys, this is what I got so far. I did try to pre-bend these little tabs where I'm going to mount it to the floorboard. Just kind of bent it, set it in there to see what it looked like, and I might have to rebend them, but anyways, now I just got to get this set up here best I can, something like that. And I guess I'm gonna throw a couple tacks on here and then go set it in the truck, because I might have to bend these out or in, or whichever way, before I completely weld that up. Alright guys, we're gonna test fit this thing in here. Now this little hump in this transmission tunnel is kind of messing me up. I should have made my legs a little longer, so I might have to lift it up and put me a spacer under there. But I guess overall it's pretty good, I guess. Screw it, that's what it's gonna be. I'm gonna go ahead and weld this thing up. Alright guys, now I'm just gonna go ahead and drill some holes in the floorboard here and make sure I can get it bolted in where I want it to be before we throw some paint on it. Alright, I got my holes drilled. I did have to use a little nut as a spacer on the front there. That'll be alright. So let's go ahead and take it out and get some paint on it. Alright guys, I got it finished up here. Looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and install it in the truck and see what it looks like in there. Alright guys, there it is. I know my floorboard's dirty, but I need to clean it out. But got the shifter in here. First, second, third, fourth, neutral, reverse, and park. So yeah, that's cool. Next video we're going to try to install the cable, and while I was underneath the truck I did see we're probably going to have some problems. As you can see how I done my exhaust, the X pipe and all. It's really close to the transmission here. I gotta wrap that cable around and come through here, and it ain't supposed to be close to the exhaust. So we might have an issue there. But I guess that's something we'll figure out in the next video. If I have to, I guess I'll put that shifter linkage for the column shift back on there, much as I don't want to, but I don't know. We'll see in the next video. But I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya!